Good morning, and welcome to another old guy camping adventure. I'm Marty Wilsey, and I am heading for the mountains. Today we're going to be camping at Elizabeth Furnace, up in the National Forest. This is in the Seven Bends region of Virginia. I love this campground. I've been there on several occasions, and this weekend I won't be camping alone. I'm very excited about that. So give me some time to drive, and I'll see you when I get there. Greetings. Well, we got the camp set up. It's another good day. As you can see, the old guy camping adventure actually has company this time. Say hi, Tony.
Hi, Tony.
Anyway, well, we've been here a day and a half already. We haven't done any filming yet because we've been having too much goddamn fun. So let me show you a quick around the camp. Got a nice fire pit. We are in Elizabeth Furnace Campground. It's in the Shenandoah Mountains. It's next to the National Forest. The campsite's really beautiful. You can see that we are completely surrounded by forest here. The campsites are pretty far apart. I really enjoyed that. There's actually more people here than I expected because it is kind of late in the year. One of the interesting things about this trip, because Tony is camping as well, in addition to having my truck camper here, I brought my box trailer and we set that thing up with a bed for Tony, and very comfy working out. So we're going to be hanging out here and enjoying ourselves today. We'll have some cigars later and maybe some bourbon. And we'll be grilling some steaks for dinner. So I'll be back a bit later. Lunch today, I'm doing simple wraps. lunch meat with cheese. I also put a little queso dip in there. It's a beautiful day today. It's about 65 degrees and sunny, and it's turning out to be a great day. Well, so far it's been a really lazy day at the Elizabeth Furnace Campground. We had all these grand plans about going on hikes and climbing the fire tower and stuff, and we've just ended up hanging out in camp, relaxing, eating some good food, and just sitting around talking. You got anything profound to say, Tony?
Watch Twitter.
Yeah, it's really funny because we expected not to have any internet access here, but we've got one bar, and it's enough to get the Twitter feed. And of course, it's lit today. You know, Elon Musk just took over Twitter, and stuff's happening, and it's hilarious. But that's just about it. You know, I went for a couple rides on my e-bike. It's just being lazy. I'm not even reading my book. I will check in with you later when we decide to make steak. See you soon. So this campground, one of the more popular activities that go on at this campground is fishing. This creek that runs like along behind where the campsites are is very popular in fishing season. I think it's trout fishing. I'm not a fisherman myself, but I've been here when it's been very crowded, and a lot of people down here in waders fishing. But I wanted to come down here and catch the light on the mountain because it's really beautiful, and the light coming through the trees is equally beautiful as the sun begins to set. But I'm fixing to head back to camp now because I got some steaks to grill with peppers, onions, and mushrooms. I am definitely looking forward to this meal. We'll catch you when I'm cooking. See you soon. So tonight for dinner, we're gonna be having sauteed mushrooms. I got peppers and onions going here, and after these are a bit more done, we're gonna be grilling some steaks. I'm very excited about it. More when I'm done cooking. Okay, dinner is served. We got steaks and sauteed mushrooms with peppers and onions. Damn, I'm hungry. Tonight's beverage, I don't know if you can see it, the fire's lit, is Wolford Reserved Double Oak Barrel Finished Bourbon. Oh yeah, my good friend Tony brought this bottle. Time to have some bourbon and cigars. Well, guys, it was a great night around the fire. Great food, great company. It's now midnight. No time for a movie tonight. I'll be getting up and making coffee early and enjoying my new sleeping bag and my new mattress and my new camera. It's got a wide angle. Who knew? Anyway, I'm also enjoying my new lights. They have a remote control that works sometimes. So we'll see y'all in the morning. Good night. Good morning, y'all. It's time for me to get up, make some coffee. Let's see, what time is it? Looks like it's 7:40. So it's time to brave the universe. What temperature we got? It's 34 degrees outside. And it is time to get up. We'll see you out there. Making coffee, knocking the frost off. It's a lovely morning. It's the time for the first sip. First sips are always so much better on a morning that's this cold. Sun's out, starting to warm up. It's gonna be a beautiful frosty day. I think the temperature is now above freezing and the day's looking up. Excellent. So, it's the last day of man camp. We are just finished our breakfast. We made grilled cheese sandwiches for breakfast. It was delicious. Tony, any final words before we start packing the show up for next time?
More coffee and more warm weather. Or clothes. Warm clothes.
Yeah, more clothes. Both of us forgot our coats because we're idiots.
But we still had fun.
Yeah, we still had fun. I got to double the amount of firewood I bring next time, so that's important too. But yep, it's about time to start packing this show up. We'll do another time lapse of the camp coming down, but it's been a really fun weekend. I haven't filmed anywhere near enough to convey the amount of relaxation that happened, but last night we had excellent bourbon and campfires, and we used the last of our firewood. It was perfect. All right, man, thanks for coming. We'll see you next time.
Bye.
Well, it's been another excellent old guy camping adventure. So just remember, you don't have to be an old guy to go on adventures. We'll see you next time. Ciao. Okay.
So what do you do with the phone? Does it save to the phone? Is that what it does?
It's synced to the phone, and I can turn it on and off
Okay.
here. And also, I can do a remote viewing on the phone. So if I have this set up somewhere, I can be watching the video here and see it. Good thing I can edit it.
Anyway. In half a mile, turn right on Strasburg Road.